Wow, what's happening, y'all? It's Chef Gerard here with the Creole Cockpit. Man, if y'all want a party hitter that's gonna bing, bang, bow for holiday Christmas parties, this the one. All right, first you're gonna get your pizza dough. You're gonna roll that out just a little bit. Not too much, just a little bit. And you're gonna do your little Picasso on that thing. You're gonna brush that on there like that, little Michelangelo, you know what I'm saying? After that, you're gonna put your little cheese on there. You're gonna just line them up just like that. However you decide to do this, that's cool. But this is just the basics of it, you know what I'm saying? So after that, you're going to lay your turkey down. Me, I personally like a thick sandwich. I don't like straight bread. I like my stuff to have some meat on there, meat and cheese, you know what I'm saying? So you're going to lay that down there like that. Then you're going to put the top layer of the pizza crust on there like that. You're going to just match them, make sure they match. Then you're going to cut the edges. You're going to cut the edges off. Make sure not to cut too much now. You're going to cut all 4 edges, just like that. Then you're going to start making your strips down just like that. Now, what I noticed was my knife got stuck on the dough a little bit. You might want to put a little flour on your knife. That way it just slide through. After that, then you're going to fold it just like an accordion to make your Christmas tree shape. After that, then you're going to stick your skewer from the bottom to the top like a Christmas tree. And you're going to put them on a sheet pan lined out with a parchment paper that's sprayed. Then you're going to bake them at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Next, you're going to melt butter, add garlic, chopped parsley. Then you're going to let that cook for about 3 minutes. And you cannot forget to top the Christmas tree with the star. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Boy, I'm telling you, if you want to wow them, make this Christmas tree sandwich action-netch holiday party event. You know what I'm saying? Show them that you coming with some creativity, some bang, bang, bow. This Chef Gerard here with the Creole Cockpit. Let me know how they come out.